Welcome to my third part on how to perform corneal suturing. In this part, I will be explaining how to bury the suture. As you can see, I'm holding the needle holder parallel to the suture line. I hold the suture at the exit point and then I push it towards the entry point. I change my needle holder direction to be radial and parallel to the suture. I hold it at the exit and push it towards the entry point. Do not pull up the suture. Just hold it at the exit point, push it towards the entry point. You can use the needle holder and also you can use a smooth tie forceps. One more time, holding at the exit point, pushing towards the entry point. If the knot is hard to bury, you can also try the other way around from the entry point to the exit point. Thank you.